Right, so we're going to look at about this error prior to this BattleNet updating agent getting stuck around, I'd say 45%, just under half. The application which caused the issue was Warzone, and it was playing fine and then no longer allowed me to join parties. So following the advice that I read online, I did a check for update, didn't work. Scan and repair, didn't work. Then I went through and deleted some files and then did a scan and repair with an update, and it wouldn't update. I've tried the VPN and all the different issues. So they just said uninstall BattleNet and reinstall, turn off all your antivirus software, which I had. But what I've figured out the problem to be is, in this particular case, I have Kaspersky running, and even though I manually turn everything off there, it would still block this BattleNet update agent from continuing. So what I've had to do is I've downloaded a program called IO Bit Uninstaller 11. Now I'm just going to go and find Kaspersky Total Security. That's going to be the one that's causing my issues. And you have to do a complete uninstall of this application for it to work. So I'm going to do that one now. You just follow the prompts. It creates a restore point and will automatically remove any residual files. This is probably one of the best uninstaller programs that I've come across. It really takes everything and associated with the program you're uninstalling it and really pisses it off, to be honest, and creates a restore point in case anything goes wrong. So I'm going to click this uninstall and let it run its part. So you can see now that this has finished. It's going to prompt a restart. So I'm going to go and restart, and then I'll be back in a minute and we'll see that. Alright, so I'm back from a restart, and now I've gone ahead and made sure also on the uninstaller that there's no BattleNet application existing, maybe from the previous time we've tried it. So now I'm simply going to go into my downloads file, and I'm going to grab this BattleNet application, hit yes, and now it should go straight through without an issue. And it still is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of time. See, straight through, continued, install location, starting, and now you shouldn't have any issues. So if you're not running Kaspersky particularly, then I'd go through any antivirus software you do have, completely uninstall it using the IOBit uninstaller. And if you don't have anything, then using the default Microsoft firewall and everything, disable absolutely everything, and you should be good. It seems to be the BattleNet application seems to get blocked by a lot of antivirus software monitoring the network traffic. I've had this happen before, and I tried every solution on the web and I could not find a single thing that worked for me until I just decided to completely uninstall my antivirus and give this a shot. So give that a shot, and if that works for you, let us know in the comments down below, and give it a like and sub if it's giving you a chop out. Cheers. So now that this update has done and it's installed the application, you'll see that Call of Duty Warzone has already been located. So I didn't actually remove the game file itself, I just removed this app installer. So it's found it, it's located it, so I hit locate. We found the following systems. Oh no, sorry, you just go continue, got that connect, next. Alright, we know what it all is. Now we go to Warzone. This thing should be updating. So before it found the game automatically, and if there was one missing you could click locate. I misread that. So it already found this game and this application automatically. It's seen the missing files which I deleted prior, and now it's able to figure out what's missing, download, do the update, and once this is done it should be running no issues at all. So that's going to be pretty much it for this one. If it's still not working for you, comment down below what's going on, and I'll try and help you as best as I can. Cheers.